right, so I'm here with my unboxing from Kaylee. Kaylee Saves Money, so exciting. The three of us decided to do the winter Secret Santa type unboxing. I am so excited to see what is in here. So yes. Okay, so it looks like she got me a $10 Walmart gift card. Definitely useful. Thank you so much. I'll definitely use that. Like for sure. And then, this Christmas mug. And then she also, I love these. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love these Junior Mints Peppermint. Those are like two of my favorites. Great job on that. Those, I'm craving these. I'm probably going to crack them open right now. And then you also, I've never seen these before. Junior Mints with red and green inside. Definitely, those would be great. And then, you gave me 2 packs of Caramel Delight Hot Cocoa. That sounds really, really good. And then, you must have remembered I love these friction pens. I love friction pens. They're erasable, so I really, really love that about it. So, yeah, that is my unboxing from Kaylee. I so appreciate it. Thank you so much, Kaylee. And thank you very, very much. Both Financial Phoenix and Kaylee Saves Money will have unboxing videos up. I believe our times are going to be different. Kaylee is supposed to have hers up at 8 a.m. tomorrow, I believe. And Alexis said hers will be up sometime tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe to both of them so you can see what they got. One of them, I'm not going to spoil it, so I want you to go watch them to see who I had to buy for. But I did buy for one of them and their family. So be sure to check that out. All right, y'all. So I'm going through prepping for my stats final. I'm so ready to be done. I'm so excited to be done. I'm just running through StatDisk. And like I said, we're allowed to bring some notes, which I'm really shocked he's letting us do. But he decided we can bring in notes. So I am just basically typing up a note sheet, basically, with how to do all this stuff. This is the practice final. And I'm just basically typing up, these are examples, and I'm just typing up how to do them. So hopefully on the test, it'll be pretty similar, and I can just have it pretty much figured out for me. So that's going to be really, really nice. So I'll let you guys know how the final goes. Is this person serious? I just got on eBay to do a little bit of Christmas. I'm looking for something for a Christmas gift, and used pen, 99 cents. Why would someone pay 99 cents for a used pen? That is, like, insane. 99 cents. That person's never going to sell that. All right. So we are here at Clicklist, and I did get a Christmas card from Shelly. So nice of her to send me a Christmas card. So appreciate it, Shelly. And I always appreciate you watching. I don't know if you're watching this or not, but you always watch my Kroger stuff, and it's greatly appreciated. So now we're doing Clicklist. Oh, we got a call. Now we're doing Clicklist. All right. So we just did Clicklist, and we got a lot of groceries. I'm not going to take it all out for you guys because that'd just be incredibly a roast. We can divide this into for 2 meals. A rotisserie chicken. Here, frozen meals. Various frozen meals, frozen stuff. Some drinks. Breads, burritos, meals. Here is an onion. Some coffee filters, canned tomatoes, some pop in here, more potatoes, sour cream, asparagus, some celery. And down here is some Progresso soup and some Sara Lee bread. I had weird thoughts about Clicklist. It felt really weird not going in. It's kind of nice and convenient, but also at the same time, the substitution thing kind of freaks me out. If they had been out of a mega item, that would have threw everything off. But it is nice when it's cold and rainy and just annoying out to have them loaded in your car. And you totally can use paper coupons at Kroger. You cannot with Walmart, but at Kroger, he did ask, do you have any paper coupons you'd like to use? So I'll probably do it at Kroger again if I ever did it again. All right, so I'm eating lunch now, and Stats Final did not go so well, and I kind of anticipated that, but my grade should still be decent in the whole class, so I'm happy with it. He did give us the option to retake it, but I don't think I'm going back in there and retaking it. I just don't think it's worth it. I'll calculate my final grade, but I'm not going to go back in there. if my grade's something I can live with. So that didn't go so well. I'm going to eat lunch, and then I'm going to try to do my Kroger ad preview for you guys. And I'll do the Kroger ad preview, and then I'm going to try to do, I have an English portfolio assignment I have to do, which is due by tomorrow, which is basically just a collection of all my work, plus work from other classes. It's kind of an annoying assignment, but I have to do that. So that's kind of the agenda for the rest of the vlog. And I'm going to try, if there's time, I'll throw in the Q&A. I'm not totally sure if I'll throw that in or not. All right, so now I'm going to go through and answer you guys' comments because that is, I'm kind of a little bit behind on it, and I need to go ahead and get back to answering comments. So, yes, that is what I'm going to do. Just trying to get stuff done today. Just on my to-do list, things I've wanted to do for a while. My bullet journal, here's my time block, and I'm loving this. I've actually never been this faithful to it, but I'm going to start doing it all the time. It's cool to see, like, where have I spent my day. So, in green, that was all school-related. Gray is the lazy time I had, not doing anything particularly. The orange is commute or, like, errands, outings, like, went to Kroger to do the clicklist for groceries, went to commute to school, and green is actually time spent in school. So that's a school-related task. It's just cool to see where my time's going every day, and so I'm really enjoying that. Here are the remaining items on my to-do list. Yeah, that's the items on my to-do list, and I'm trying to just work through them all. All right, so I decided to actually do my live, or not my live, I decided to do my app preview as a premiere on my YouTube, which is, I love it. We can, like, chat live right now as the video is premiering. I've actually been doing it for Vlogmas and I decided to do it for the app review today too. And it's really cool to just be able to do it. I love doing the premieres for you guys. It's a good way to get to interact with some of you. So yeah, doing the premiere. All right, so that is a wrap on today's vlog. I'm so excited. That was awesome to be able to do the vlog or the gift exchange with Kaylee. Love my gift. She did a great job. Be sure, like I said, to go watch Kaylee's channel and Alexis's channel. Be subscribed to them because I did buy gifts for one of those people. Not going to say who because I want you guys to be able to be surprised and go watch both of them and find out who they got. So Kaylee said hers will be up tomorrow morning. Alexis said hers will be up at some point tomorrow. So I'm really excited for that. Tomorrow's vlog. Tomorrow I have an English final. And that's it. That's the end of the semester. I have to turn in that big, massive portfolio assignment. I'm going to finish that up before I go to bed tonight. So then that's it. After that, school is out. I am done. And I'm so ready. So ready. But anyways, tomorrow on the agenda for Vlogmas, I have to run a couple errands. I need to go to Hobby Lobby because I have to finish shopping for another gift exchange. What else? I wrote down a list of things I need to do. Looks like just Hobby Lobby. I need to go to the library. I want to take some books back, a book back, and I want to pick up a couple new books. I'm going on Christmas break, so I want to get back into reading a little bit. I don't know. It's better than staring at a screen, and that's what I'm trying to work on, especially in the new year, is unplugging and cutting my screen time down. Because when you get that little, I don't know if everybody gets those little notices on Sunday that comes up on your phone and says, you were on your phone, blah, 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 today. Mine's embarrassing. So that's embarrassing. And then tomorrow for Vlogmas, I actually want to film around Zanesville because I had quite a couple people said, we'd really like to just see your town. So that's what I'm going to try to do tomorrow. Plus, a good perk of that is I should be able to post it to the local page, the local Zanesville page. They're weird about what you can post on there. They have to make sure it's not current, but if it is somehow appealing to a historical thing, which I think it would because people are going to get to see things, like a lot of people have moved away and are on that page. They can like see memories and see old Zanesville staples, things we used to have, or memories. Driving through like downtown, that area might really make a lot of people happy. So, I don't know. That'd be a good excuse. I think tomorrow I'm going to try to do that in the vlog. And yeah, I think that'd be really, really cool. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I won't do it, but that's on the agenda. Then errands, I need to go to Hobby Lobby, the library, and then Ibotta, Hall, Walmart, and Kroger. And yeah, that's kind of the plan for tomorrow. Not really too much else. Get to start break. I'm so excited. I'm so ready for it. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait. So yeah, that's all that I have for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.